installed Homebrew, which takes a while, it adds a command to our terminal where we can run brew. So if you want to check if you installed brew successfully, it should give you a lot of information when you type just brew. It's trying to give you helpful information of the different commands you can use. If you got an error that said command brew not found, it didn't install. It might mean you'd have to go back and try to, it might be a permissions error, it could be a lot of things. Assuming we have brew installed, we can use it, as I mentioned, to install other things. So brew install git is our real aim here. So if we were to run that, it should install git on our machine. I'm going to open up another window just to save time. And let's imagine that I have run the git installation and it is completed. If I want to make sure I have git and it installed successfully, I'd say git -- version. And it should tell you the version of git that you're running. And that means that git is now a command that you can use on your command line. One useful thing to do once you've got git installed is to set some global options. So I believe we would write git config -- global. And we can set our username and our email. So I have set my username to my name. And now I have set my user email. So the reason we do this is that we don't get prompted every time we work with Git, asking us what our username and our email are. If we set it globally every time we set up a Git repository, it should run just fine. If we wanted to update Git, if we had an old version, you can see I've got, well, what currently is the latest version. And if we wanted to try to update, the way to do that is you say brew install Git, and it will install the newest version of Git that it can install on your machine over your previous installation. And it looks like I am ready to go here.